Oh yeah, we like our coffee. I'm making coffee this morning. This is Blue Healer coffee that I'm drinking today, and love our Cuisinart coffee maker. Just doing a watt check on the coffee, and it's brewing right now, and it's just under 997 watts that's drawing. Okay, the amperage that it's drawing is 8.27 amps. Okay, and right now the voltage is 120.1 volts. So you can see that in the short time that I've been making coffee, because I plugged that in when I first started, and it's at half a pot. That's at 14.05 kilowatt hours. Okay, adds up pretty quick. Now, I'm an early riser, and I usually start making coffee, somewhere around 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. And this is my second pot of coffee. So, should the power be off, having the convenience of running this would be nice. One of the things I love also is my zero water. I filter all my water through there, and put a gooseneck faucet on it to where I can fill that up very easily to do that. And put that over to the side and get that going. Interesting enough, going back to watts, when I turn the blender on, right at 90 watts for my coffee grinder. Okay, kind of interesting there, right? Talking about making coffee and how this equates to emergency power, but that's the way that works right there. Anyway, keep it kind of dim in here in my coffee bar area, and that's the way that works. Y'all sit back, relax, and drink a cup of coffee. Love you guys.